Let's get started. To get Microsoft 365 Business Trial license, so we'll open any of the browser of our choice. So I have opened Google Chrome in incognito mode, and I'll type here Office 365 Business Trial and hit enter. So once you hit enter, you'll see a different link which is from Microsoft, and we'll try to click on the very first link. Earlier, we used to have Microsoft 365 E5 license, which is a complete package of Microsoft 365 suites. So let's see nowadays which subscription we have as a free trial. So I just clicked on this pricing, C plan and pricing. It will redirect us to a place where we can simply click for home or business. Let's close this. Or business. So we are not looking for home use because we'll be working on other Office 365 related services, which is especially for industry, and I will be going deeper in other services. So I'm selecting here for business use, and we can simply leave this annually or monthly. As I am from India, this is showing me in the price range of INR. If you are from other country, then it could be your local currency or simply in US dollar. So we are looking for free trial subscription which is available from Microsoft. So one is Microsoft 365 Business Basic, Business Standard, Business Premium, Apps for Business. Let's see if we have E5. Don't see E5 license. So at the time of watching this video, there would be a possibility that you may get different subscription as a free trial. We should have email services, SharePoint Teams, other cloud services offered by Microsoft. Let's try with E3 license. So I just fill email address and then next, set up account and fill all this information. So I have filled all this information: first name, last name, job title, phone number, company name, company size. If I have website, so I have this website, and country. So in this subscription, we have these application: Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and this Access and Publisher is only for PC. Other services which is included in the subscription is Exchange Online, SharePoint Online, Yammer, Stream, OneDrive for Business. So Teams is not available in this, and we'll have to look for other subscription. Click on next. It's asking me to verify my phone number. Send verification code to 16073 and verify. So this on Microsoft.com is initial domain. This is given by Microsoft as a default tenant address. Admin, then next. So this admin@viralengine.onmicrosoft.com would be the primary email address that we need to log into this tenant. So I have filled card details and click on next. So you'll have to use your Visa or MasterCard. There is no other options available for India. For different countries, there could be different options available. Visa or MasterCard is universal, so it would be available there. Charged me ₹2 for the verification of my card, and then once I verified that or approved the payment, so it's redirected me to this place. So next we have this page where we need to confirm few more details. So as if now we have already filled all these information, so click on start trial. So it started this free trial. If you see, thanks, your order is confirmed. We have to click on next. admin@viralengineerbaba.onmicrosoft.com. This would be the primary email address to log into this tenant. I'm just using my password. Action required. This is just for setting up multi-factor authentication for the very first time when we create the account. So I'll click on next. This will redirect us to a place where we need to add few information. We can use our email address, phone number, and a multi-factor authentication app, which is Microsoft Authenticator. We need to click on next. We'll have to download multi-factor authenticator app on our phone, and from there we need to simply click on sign so that we can add the account in Authenticator app. So as of now, here we need to click on next. So I'm just opening my Authenticator, and this has been scanned and it's adding it to my Authenticator. Next. It's asking to verify if authenticator is working. So I'm just putting this code 35 and hitting yes. So it's approved. Then next, then done. E3 trial license has been started for a month. These are the information that you need to save it. This would be the very first account or primary account for this tenant, whether you can save it or print it. So we can start using our subscription by clicking on this, start using Office 365 E3 trial or manage your subscription. So as if now, just click on this. This will redirect us to our Office 365 tenant where we can see one user account. So we have one user, which is the primary user. So I'll be creating one more user without admin privileges. So let me type first name, last name, and account, which is username. So next, we have created Microsoft 365 tenant with Office 365 E3 license where we do not have team. So Microsoft provides 25 licenses for the trial period of 1 month so that we can explore different things, different services from Microsoft. And once we are satisfied with the subscription and services, then we can choose our subscription accordingly as per our use. So I'm just assigning license. Then next, I'll be closing this. Roles. So user no administration access. So as of now, I'm not providing any admin role to this user so that we can log into this account and see the difference between regular user and admin user. Finish, close. So if we refresh this page, we have another user that I have created recently. So the reason why I have created this user without admin role, so that we can make sure what exactly there is difference when we try to log into Office 365 portal. So as we have logged into admin.microsoft.com, we can also log into office.com. For that, I'm just opening new incognito window. Here, I'm just typing office.com. Once we type office.com and hit enter, it will redirect us to a page where it says welcome to Microsoft 365. I'm just clicking on sign in. Here I'm typing new account Rians at viral.engineerbaba.onmicrosoft.com. If you remember, I have mentioned that this would be our primary domain so that we can get access of Office 365 tenant. We'll be adding different domain, custom domain. As if now, let's log into this account and navigate through different subscription. So it's asking me to set up authenticator. As if now I have option to skip it for 14 days. So I'm clicking here, ask later. But it's better you set up the authenticator when you log into the account very first time. So then yes. So this is the portal for a regular user. We can close this. Next, and close. Let's close this. Let's close this. We are logged into a user portal. You see the account Rayans at viral.engineerbaba.onmicrosoft.com. So this is the portal for regular user. Office icon, home, create, OneDrive, apps. So this is the home portal. So it will stay there. It won't redirect once we click on home. However, once we click on create, we will see different options available. Then OneDrive, which is OneDrive for business, and apps. Let's close this. So we have different apps available. And let's go back to home. This is the portal for regular user. While we log into admin user, let's see what are the differences. So I'm signing out. Let's type same thing, which is office.com. Same place it redirects us to sign in. So this is the regular user and we need to log in with admin user. So switch to a different account. admin at viralengineerbaba.onmicrosoft.com. Let's sign in. Let's type the password. Sign in. Let's verify. Type 30 in authenticator and hit yes. Once it is verified, it will redirect us to same place we were logged in using regular user. So see, here we have same portal. However, in admin account, we have this admin icon. We have home, create, OneDrive, apps. Let's navigate. Home, no changes. Create, we have different options to create. OneDrive, OneDrive for business. As if now there is nothing, no data in OneDrive, so it's showing nothing. And once we add or put some data in OneDrive, we'll be seeing here. Then apps, different apps, then admin icon. The regular user does not have admin privileges. So let's click on admin and it will redirect us to the same place we used earlier, that is admin.microsoft.com. So whether you can click here by signing office.com, then admin icon, or you can also visit directly admin.microsoft.com. So once we are logged in to our admin account, we'll see different options, which is home, Copilot, which is new features, users, groups, marketplace, billing. If we scroll user, we have active users, contacts, guest, deleted users. Under groups, we have active groups, deleted groups, shared mailboxes. Then marketplace, billing. Under billing, we have your product, licenses, bills and payments, billing account, payment method, billing notification, cost management. Then we have setup, then customize navigation and show all. So we'll be clicking on show all so that we can go to more options which is available for us under admin center. So after billing, we have support. We can create support ticket with Microsoft if we have any issue with our tenant and if we need assistance. So we can create ticket from here. Help and support, view service request, Microsoft Service support. So we simply need to click on help and support and we can also do it from here, help and support. Then settings, under settings, domain, search intelligence, org settings, Office, Microsoft 365 backup, integrated apps, Viva, partner relationship, Microsoft Edge. We'll be adding domain. So leave it for now. Let's move further. We have reports, adoption score, users, organizational messages, health. We'll be discussing in detail. So as if now, let's move towards admin sections. So under admin section, you see admin centers. This will appear once we click on show all. This security, compliance, identity, exchange, SharePoint, and then all admin centers. So you can whether visit admin.microsoft.com, Microsoft 365 admin center, under admin centers, security, and click on that. Once we click on that, it will redirect and open Microsoft Defender or security portal, which is security.microsoft.com. So you can also type directly security.microsoft.com or you can navigate through admin center. The same way we can visit compliance admin center for view, which is compliance admin center. Let's close this. As older compliance portal is retired, so we'll have to use purview.microsoft.com and then get started. This is our compliance or purview admin center. We'll be going through with all the options available, different Microsoft services as we move forward with our videos. So we can visit entra.microsoft.com or we can also click from admin centers identity. So once we click on identity, it will redirect us to entra.microsoft.com where we can manage our identity related services. Then go back to exchange. So under exchange, we manage all the email services, mailboxes, and mail related services which we have from Microsoft SharePoint Admin Center. We have gone through with all admin portals which we have here under admin centers. We have one more option which is all admin centers. Let's click on that. it will show us all the admin centers available for the tenant. So compliance, exchange, intra, office configuration, power apps, power automate, search intelligence, security, SharePoint, Viva Engage. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. In our next video, we'll be discussing more about Office 365 administration.